I'm Dominique, along with Jorge, and today is a glorious day to honor a true king, a king who is both powerful and compassionate, brave and kind, a king of the people.
The guardians of Panther, your king is here. The guardians, you have humbled me with your kind words, and I see now that you have finally embraced your natural state to be ruled by me. That is your cue to cheer. Yes, very good.
Excuse me, I think you made a mistake.
Kings do not make mistakes.
Oh, in this case, they do.
I beg your pardon, but what is that cat doing at my celebration?
This is a celebration for King T'Challa, the Black Panther!
Isn't it? I think it is you who is mistaken. In God, I have come here to rule, and why should I not? It is my birthright. And a good king knows how to control his destiny.
Today is a glorious day to honor a true king, King Loki.
That's nice arrangement. May guardians, if you declare yourselves and your loyalty to me, I will give you a... Where's my throne? I am a king, am I not? I need a throne. Where are you going? I have not dismissed you yet.
It is your throne.
That's a trouble.
It is a throne.
Yes, indeed. Very good. Proceed.
All subjects of the realm, you've been called upon to honor a true king, King Loki, through song and dance.
Yes, what a wonderful idea. Perfect for you, big guardians, to pay homage. But first, I should require a royal portrait. You then, yes, and you. I sense that you have an artistic quality about you. Come forth and present your skills.
And what is your name? Mason. And the royal portraits will be drawn by Dalton and Mason. Bow to your king. Bow. Now, as I said, we'll be drawing and doing our portraits. But group 2, you'll be joining Jorge and coming up and with an interpretive dance. And group 1, you'll join me in a commemorative song. Now,
Your guardians please draw me with your most adequate skills. Fret not, I have only good sides.
the apparition of King Loki will commence in 5 minutes.
More than enough time to make something worthy of a king.
Let's get to work.
that is surely enough time to make something worthy of a king. Come forth and present your little appreciation. Not you, your guardians, continue your masterpieces.
Yes. Now to begin the admiration of King Loki through song. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We love you, Loki.
Yes, you
Oh,
do.
yes, we do.
Yes, you do.
We love you, Loki, and we'll be true. I'm watching you when you're not near us. We're blue.
Yes.
Oh, Loki, we love you. And bow. Yes, yes.
So wonderful, the garden. In fact, it's so lovely. I think all 9 realms shall hear this. So everyone in this grand hall shall join in this wonderful chorus.
I completely agree, King Loki. Even you in the red mouse outfit. Yes, hello.
Yes,
now,
you.
the words are, we love you, Loki. Oh, we can be louder. Yo, yes, we do.
Oh, yes, we do.
There we go. We love you, Loki.
We love you, Loki.
And we'll be true.
And we'll be true.
When you're not near us.
When you're not near us.
We're blue.
We're blue.
Oh, Loki, we love you.
Oh, Loki, we love you.
Now I think we can sing that all together. Think of your emotion and how gracious and honorable he is. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We love you, Loki.
Yes, mouth
Oh,
movement.
yes, we do. We
Yes.
love you, Loki.
More singing.
And we'll be true.
From the heart now.
When you're not near us.
Louder.
We're blue. Oh, Loki, we love you. And bow.
Wonderful,
Yes.
the gardens. Yes, give yourself a hand.
And now it's time for an interpretive dance with Jorge.
All right, it is our honor, King, to present you this dance inspired in you. Are we all ready, everybody? Here we go. We start with the K. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the right. To the left.
Now,
Then pivot. And we present our horns
with the
backwards.
horns,
To the right.
and horns you command.
To the left. And now the powerful scepter. Point to the starboard side and bow. And point to the port side and bow.
Very good. I think it lacks the grandeur necessary to properly summarize, which is why I think everyone in this lovely grand hall shall contribute to this dance.
We completely agree. So victory, the quartet 5. Feel free to join us. It's super simple. We start with the cape to the right, to the left, and both with left pivot. Horns presented backwards. Spin to the right, spin to the left, and then we point our scepter to both sides of the ship. So here we go. Feel free to join us. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cape to the right, and cape to the left. Then pivot and present the horns. Spin to the right.
Round as horns you can manage. I'm not seeing horns up now. There should be horns.
Get your scepters ready. We point to the port side and bow to the king. We point to the
Point
port
to the
side and
hands.
bow to the king.
Even lower. Everyone lower. Much lower. Yes, you should be feeling the carpets. Very wonderful, the guardians. Very wonderful.
And now time to reveal the royal portraits. Present them to our ensemble. Now to the king.
Oh, yes. Right. Very good indeed. What wonderful artistry. Yes, my sample is very exact. Please, do not withhold your applause for this wonderful artistry. I mean, you shall sign it, and because of my benevolent nature, I shall give it to you to hold on to for the rest of your days. Yes. Oh, yes. And with the inscription, King Loki rules all. Do I not rule all? Very true to you indeed. And may God you please sign this wonderful piece of artistry. You do not treat it like that. That is a wonderful object you should not tarnish. Please, I hope you treat it with more respect in the future. Yes, sign your wonderful Guardian name. Mid-Guardians, you've humbled me once again. Your acts of loyalty are duly noted.
Thus concludes the admiration of King Loki. Now, inspirational words from our honorable king.
Mid-Guardians, my birthright is finally fulfilled, and I couldn't agree. Who dares interrupt my moment of triumph? What sorcery is this?
Oh yes, today is the precious day to honor our true king, King T'Challa, the Black Panther.
Stop! I'm Loki of Asgard, and I am burdened with glorious purpose.
You have guarded these good people for long enough.
No. It is my birthright to rule these mortals.
You may want to think about that. Together, we are stronger than one.
That's right. We stand with King T'Challa. Right, everyone.
It's just a
See now, my destiny to rule elsewhere. You mortals do not deserve my goodwill. I will leave this place.
My friends, I'm glad you are here. I apologize for my delay and any distress it may have caused. It is a king's privilege to lead with strength, courage, and compassion. These traits are also those of a hero. As I look at your faces, I see these attributes and more in each and every one of you. I am honored to share the celebration with you all.
It is a true honor to have you here with us, King T'Challa.
Yes, you are too kind. It will be my privilege to personally meet all of you very soon.
One more time, let's hear it for King T'Challa, the Black Panther. Again, thank you everyone. Today was a glorious celebration of a true king, the Black Panther.